Good evening, LP soldiers. This is my very first guitar tutorial, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Sana tuloy-tuloy na pag-guitar tutorial ko. I-share ko ang konting talent ko sa sa pag-gitara. Bisaya pala ako. Sana RIP sa pag-Tagalog ko. Hindi ako masyado marunong mag-Tagalog kasi Bisaya ako. Sana uy, dumating yung pamangkin na asawa ko. Halika dito, say hi. Hi ka dito. Wiz. Kaya magtuturo ako ng say hi. Ang kantang ituturo ko ngayon ay Numbed by Linkin Park. Okay, so umpisahan na natin. Linkin Park.
The singer who is the singing is dead now.
Singing is dead. Sister's already dead. Okay, let's start. So you need first a capo in the second fret. So capo, this one. Capo in the second fret. And then standard tuning lang ang gamit natin, standard tuning. So iba kasi sa nasa original version ito kasi drop yun, drop. I think drop a half step down. Uy, ganda. Okay, let's start na. First chord is E minor. So E minor. The next is we have C. Then we have G. And then D. So sa intro, isang bagsak lang. Or one down. Pwede rin yung parang may ganito. Adim. Ganun. So third fret lang yun. Kung gusto naman ganyan, parang intro. Na meron ganun to. Zero sa open string sa second string.
Wait,
Hindi ko so marunong mag-Tagalog. Kasi Bisaya ako. Ito lang. So open string sa second string, open lang. Tapos third fret. Then again open. None. Then first string, then third fret, then second fret, then balik sa umpisa, then third fret, and then third fret sa second string. Yun lang. Pwede ganun din. Pwede naman strum lang. Ito. Bagsak sa intro. Yan lang. And then sa verse, same lang din sa intro. So, ang strumming pattern nito is down, down, up, up, down, up. Yan lang. Ito isang pasada lang. Tapos, lipat na sa C. Pwede naman puro down lang. Pero parang mas may astig, parang mas rock and roll. Don't be what you want me to be. Feeling so weightless, those under the sun. Don't know what you're expecting of me. But under the pressure of walking in here. Diba? Pwede naman ganun. Pwede rin yung mga beginners, pwede dahan-dahan lang down, down, up. Depende na sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. Pwede rin down lang lahat. No? Try to be what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless as under the sun. Ganun. Tapos sa pre-chorus, iba na ang chords. Yan natin yung lyrics. C na, C. Tapos D. Then E minor. Then G. Tapos balik sa C. Then D. Ganun lang. Saan ba yun? Put under the pressure of walking crossing your shoes, caught in the underjaw, discarding the underjaw. Every step that I take is not a mistake to the girl, caught in the underjaw, discarding the underjaw. Yan lang. So, balik sa pre-chorus. C, D, E minor, G, pwede nga itong G, pwede rin G na ano, yung classic G na gano'n. Pwede rin G na may ano, dalawa yung lagay mo. G. Then balik sa C, and yun sa pre-chorus yun. Shoes caught in the underjaw. Pwede yun. Yan. Put under the pressure of walking in your cross. Caught in the underjaw, just caught in the underjaw. Every step that I take is another mistake to your girl. Caught in the underjaw, just caught in the underjaw. Tapos chorus na. Simple yung chorus, same lang sa intro ng chords. So yung chorus is I become so blind, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more away. I'm becoming this, all I want to do is be more like you. Ganon, yun, ano? E minor, pwede rin down lang. Tulad ng intro kanina, yung verse kanina. Balik sa verse 2. Same lang sa verse 1, yung verse 2. E minor din. Hindi rin ganoon. Ano ba yung second verse? You see that you smile at me, holding so tightly, fit to lose control. It's everything that you thought I would be, that's falling apart, right in front of you. Pre-chorus na balik. God, yan, so, balik lang. So, same lang. So, una, intro, then verse, then pre-chorus, then chorus, and then verse, balik na naman sa pre-chorus, and then chorus. Yun lang. May refrain pa ba? Oh yes, meron pa ba? May pagkatapos ng ano, sa pre-chorus, ng pangalawang pre-chorus, may refrain tapos bago mag-chorus. So ano ba yun? And every second, meron. E minor, and every second I waste is another mistake. G. E minor G lang. Di ba yung pre-chorus, yung una, may C, ang uli at D. Dugtungan nyo ng E minor at saka G. So, unang pre-chorus, walang E minor G. Sa pangalawa, meron na. And every second I waste is one. Every second I waste is more than I can think. Every second I waste is more than I can think. Chorus agad. I become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more. And then may bridge pa pala. Pagkatapos ng chorus, may bridge. Yung bridge, ang chords dito, ano lang, C, tapos D, tapos E minor. Then balik sa C, D, tapos B. ng D. So, ano ba yung bridge niya? Saan naman tayo doon? Chorus. Become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more. Become so want to taste more like me and less like you. No, na na na. Lang. C, D, E minor, tapos D. Then balik C, D, then biglang B. Diba, B, yun ang B. Ito. Na na, na na, I may end up facing it. And now, you were just like me. You were piling ganun. Pwede naman ganun. So, B. You were just like me, something so far now. So, mga tatlong B. Parang tatlong B. Two, and now, you were just like me, something so far now. Ano sa chorus? Yan, depende na kung ano mas gusto niyo, yung down, down, or yung down, down, up, up, down, up. So, gusto niyo pang rock and roll talaga, mas maganda yung down, 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 kasi mas, parang mas astig yun. Kasi, parang sa mga beginners, pwede na ganun lang. Down, down, up, up. Yan, down, up. Depende lang sa inyo kung anong trip nyo, ano ba yung tawag nun? Strumming pattern. So, mas prepare kung ano, yung down lahat yung gusto ko. Tulad ng ginawa ko sa video ko in-upload ko at kinabron ko nito sa may reels ko. Nag-try lang ako na mag guitar tutorial. First time. Sana naintindihan nyo. Maraming salamat mga ka-LP. Merry Christmas, rock and roll.